Morning guys, start of day 4. Picking down the tent and starting to walk today. No breakfast here, so we're walking and then we take breakfast on the way because here it's not so flat and a little bit too windy. So see if we can find a place to eat breakfast.
Bye-bye camp.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Chef Dan.
Good evening. It's 7:30 in the morning time.
Yeah.
And we found a church with some water. So
A church always have water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's nice. So now we cooking up coffee before breakfast. So first we have a pot of coffee, then we're gonna have some macarons. Can you feel the weight in the macarons?
Oh, they can feel it. Oh, they feel it. So now we have to eat it up.
Yeah. Yeah. If you eat it up, I'm gonna be impressed.
And my head, I'm so needed. I'm craving for coffee. My head hurts.
Yeah.
So a few minutes and then 2 big strong cups of coffee. So thank you for the water.
One coffee, 1 macarons and 1 more coffee. How long have we walked now? 5 kilometers, 6 maybe?
Something like that. I don't know. Something like that.
1 hour.
Yeah.
1 coffee down, now macaroni and meatballs.
Can this be the thumbnail of today?
Maybe.
Can be. I don't see anything
Me neither.
because I have the sun in my eyes. So this is
Breakfast.
this is breakfast because the time is, I don't know.
Yeah.
I have to check. Now the time is 8:17. So yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, tasted good. Fast macaronis. Only 3 minutes boil time, and then the leftovers meatballs from yesterday.
And we said yesterday that we get any leftovers, we should eat that potato salad for dinner on the evening.
Oh.
But there were no leftovers. We ate the whole thing. And I can promise you, I'm going to eat all this now as well.
Yeah, that's why we didn't were so hungry yesterday. So we only ate some corn cakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And some meatballs and some snacks and water. So yeah. And that's why I had some headache. No coffee in the evening yesterday.
Yeah, so now we boil on new coffee and 1 more cup of coffee here, and then we walk on.
Walk on. We are in Röstånga and we have seen that it's a camping here. So we're going there hopefully to get a shower and get some laundry done. Gonna be great. I'm longing for a shower.
Yeah, even a swimming place. So maybe they had a big pond or a lake or something.
Oh, we have to see.
Yeah.
I'm longing for it.
Yeah,
Go.
No shower yesterday. Only a quick wash with a
Towels. And she said it was fine. So we have the cards.
Yeah,
Showering.
shower cards.
Huh?
50 Swedish crowns, $5 a piece. So here was shower and toilet.
And we have, we can take a long shower. It was not
Cleaning,
not on time.
handicap,
And here we have,
VC,
I don't know.
and here's water.
Oh, perfect.
On this side, yeah,
Yeah.
here we got it all. And look at this,
Oh,
toilet and a shower.
and so clean.
Yeah,
And it was great.
yeah.
Yes.
But why do we need a car? It's just for show, maybe.
Maybe just for show.
Because
Yeah, we have one each.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I have everything I need in here, right?
So next time you see me, I will smell like the spring. So
See you soon.
and I smells good. And look at this, salt licorice ice cream. So we have showered.
Yeah, super nice. With an ice cream.
It's working.
Yeah, now I'm uploading videos to you guys and editing the videos from day 2.
And everything is charging. So good work.
The laundry is done and your pants is done.
Now
Yeah, it was so piping hot and windy, so everything is dried up now. So
I'm
no,
totally
not
clean.
everything. I'm lying. My socks are
And mine socks.
yeah
But rested is so I'm
dressed for success.
yeah. Smells good.
And coffee down and drinks are down and almost everything is loaded here. But maybe the video 5-10 minutes left, half an hour, because if I say 5-10 minutes it's gonna be a half an hour. So but soon we leave this beautiful place. You got the pool down there and everything for the house wagons. So a nice camping and it's treat us good. So thank you for coming along on day 4, I think. And now we've been here for 1.5, almost 2 hours. 4.5 hours later, we're walking again. But it was a nice pit stop. Shower. New videos for you guys. Up and running. So we don't have to think about that. And yeah, answer some mail and other work stuff. Work related stuff, so that was super nice, and I did some comments answering as well. So we only walked like 10-15 kilometers today, so in a few kilometers they have a store here as well, so not on the camping, in the city center or village center they had a small store. So we bought some bag salads, and the price was half the price on some beef who goes out today, so you can just eat them as well. So we bought them as well. So but now walk on for a few minutes more and then we eat late lunch, because I think it's almost 3 o'clock. Late lunch or early dinner, we don't know.
Älgpark, that means Moose Park. So in here 4 kilometers, you can drive in there, and I think you even can pet the mooses. It's a big animal, but we don't have the time for that. It's a detour for at least 8-10 kilometers. Oh, and we walk along this road. But soon lunch, late lunch. And now lunchtime, dinner time.
It's
dinner.
Yeah, we skip lunch.
Yeah, the time is 3:45. So 15:45, so you can say lunch, not even late lunch.
No.
So we go for, of course, we find half price, short date.
Yeah, first we did go for the ham, but it was too expensive.
Yeah.
Well, not too expensive,
But we
but
saw this.
this was more value. So if we eat it now, it was more value. So I think this one was like
25?
Yeah, 25, 26 crowns. And
$250.
yeah.
And pan beef is quite near hamburger.
Yeah.
It's like hamburger, but you have eggs and breadcrumbs and such things. So.
Yeah. And fetaost. And a bag salad. Salad mix. Baby spinach, rucola, red salad.
Saftig salad mix.
Juicy.
That means juicy. Yeah. And now we're walking against a small road. And no traffic here is amazing. All that big trucks on the other one was... it was hard to walk on. Sometimes I have to stand still down in the... in the side of the road.
Yeah.
Now here it's amazing.
And shade, because it's piping hot, guys. It's really, really hot. But it's still windy, but it was more windy yesterday.
Yeah, but now it's picking up sometimes. You get like this wind... I don't know the name of that. Windy pulse. Just taking my backpack as well. But here is Sweden. When it's like the most beautiful time of the year.
Super, super green. The end of
Part 1
Yeah.
is done. Good work then.
Yeah,
So now we have done section 1,
of 26,
27.
27.
So from Smygehuk till Ljungbyhed,
Yeah, what's
101 kilometers.
yeah, nice.
Yeah.
And
So
now,
it ends right here.
perfect.
Yeah.
And I see a Hemköp over there. I'm gonna celebrate with a oh, what's the name?
Soda.
Yeah, soda.
Maybe an ice cream.
So Hemköp, then we go that way. Let's go. And here is our destination, final destination for tonight. Between a garage and an old barn. We asked a lovely couple who lived here, and they say, okay, it's perfect, you can live here today. Because is the grass okay, or should I send out my husband to cut the grass? And we said, oh, it's okay, it's okay. And he was lovely, so he rode in the tractor for now, so he did not disturb us.
Yeah, if you want to go to bed.
Yeah, super
I think
sweet.
this might be my best.
You go for thumbnail, babe? Go for that one? I think this is thumbnail.
I made it. I did it. Day 3 with the tent.
Day 4, please.
Not in the tent.
No. Exactly.
But this one is a bit...
Yeah, but that you can have an extra down there if you want.
yeah, I can take a peg down there. Because
But I think I don't think we need to, because it's piping hot. But you do good. You do really, really good.
now I have solved it.
Yeah. And the Durston tent is perfect. We really, really enjoy it.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah.
It's a little bit messy.
Yeah.
You have to know what part that is the floor. After that, so today I really... now I will check inside. How we do that?
And the wind continues.
Yeah, no mosquitoes.
Yeah, we want to set up the tent on the other side of the barn, but he said no, there's too many mosquitoes. And if an elderly guy say that, you have to listen.
Yeah, I'm happy then. I'm really...
About the tent or about your life, or... Can I look?
Yeah! Look at this!
Yeah, best one yet.
Can you see the corners?
Yeah, I can.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. Really good, babe.
Almost corners.
Yeah, but now we put in all the stuff so we don't get any animals inside. I don't like
Hurry,
that.
hurry!
Hurry.
Good night.
Yeah, a great day. Not so much walking.
At 25 kilometers.
Yeah, 25 kilometers, that's okay. I didn't think it was so much. But what did you say? 4 or 5 hours did we spend that on the camping?
Something.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't remember.
Yeah, it takes time to upload and making videos and everything. So we just sat there and wait and
Took an ice cream, took
coffee,
a soda,
drank some
and the
coffee.
shower was amazing.
Yeah.
It was a great day.
Oh.
One section done.
Yeah, and I'm still waiting for a whole night's sleep in the tent. I haven't slept so good the first 2 nights, so I'm longing for a good night's sleep. But here's no birds, and in between these houses, not so windy. So hopefully tonight is the night. I have to hope so. But thank you for coming along. See you tomorrow. End of day 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
End of day 4.
Bye-bye.
Bye.